Right here I have our complete bucket solution. So this is actually one of the first things we started offering here at OG, and it's probably one of the things we're most well known for. We've made a couple changes to this solution over the years, so I just wanted to make a video talking about some of the changes we've made and what makes this package specifically so special. So let's first talk about what this package actually is before we start talking about the things in it, the different components and the changes we've made. But pretty simply, it is the ultimate version of the 3-bucket method for washing your car. A lot of people out there, and even ourselves for a while, were just using a couple of Home Depot buckets and making that work. But we wanted to imagine and create what is the ultimate version of that. So you're getting the nicest buckets, gamma seals, detail guards, bucket dollies, everything you could ever want in one package in one click. Another thing I'll say before we get into it is I know this package is a little bit expensive. That's what a lot of people say the first time they see it, but we built this to be what it needed to be. We wanted the best components out there, and then it just ended up costing what it costs. I would challenge you to go and try to build a package this nice with this high level of components and make it cost less. The first thing that sets this package apart from others is the actual buckets themselves. So these are 6-gallon buckets, not 5. We found with a lot of testing that 5-gallon buckets are just a little bit too small. They don't hold the amount of water we want them to hold to wash a full car, especially when it comes to bigger vehicles like trucks. Additionally, we tested a lot of buckets and found that these specific ones are a little bit thicker, they're a little bit more durable than a lot of the other ones out there. The second thing to mention is the bucket dollies and the wheels. Now, these are some bucket dollies that we source ourselves. They're super high quality. You will never in your life have to replace one of these. I do not think you'll be able to break them even if you tried. Additionally, the casters are 3-inch casters. A lot of cheaper bucket packages you'll find will come with 1-inch or 2-inch casters, but we found that if you make the wheel a little bit bigger, it slides and rolls over concrete and different pavements much easier. Additionally, a few of the casters will come with locks, so if you're on a sloped driveway, you can lock them in place and this won't roll down the street. Next, we include some detail guards in each of the buckets, so you can see those right there. Those help to trap and lock dirt in the bottom of the bucket to prevent scratches on your wash. Additionally, they'll come with some gamma seals on top, so if you ever want to seal them up and make sure no water gets in and out, or if you're planning on bringing these to a car show, you can absolutely do that. And the last thing that we make ourselves is this vinyl on the front. So you have your choice of a couple of different colors, a couple of different styles, and we like to do a couple special ones for giveaways and things like that. But generally speaking, the red wash, the blue rinse, and the black wheels is the staple. It's a surprisingly simple package, but there is some nuance there that if you didn't know, now you know. You can pick up the bucket solution in our store at obsessedgarage.com, and if you have any questions about it, let us know down in the comments or email support@obsessedgarage.